It is narrated from Hazrat Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, that he said, the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, no one of you can be a believer until I love him more than parents, children, and all people. Muslim, Bukhari. Narration of Hadith 1. You are Anas ibn Malik ibn Nazar Ansari Khazraj, the servant of the Holy Prophet, lived in the Holy Company for 10 years. He lived for more than 100 years. He went to Basra and had Fruki, and he died from there. In 93, the last Sahabi died in Basra. His grave is special and common in Anwar Zarat Gah. To hear, dear, means the physical beloved and not just the intellectual one, because the children have a physical bond with their parents. This love should be more than the Holy Prophet. The unbelievers leave their parents, sacrifice their lives for the honor of the Holy Prophet. There are living examples of Ghazi Abdul Rashid, Ghazi Alamdin, Abdul Qayyum, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.